You want to see sharks, and you will in just a moment. But if you wait until the end, I'll tell you some stories about my trip to Fiji, including what happened to my camera, which is tragic and kind of funny at the same time. So enjoy the sharks and see you in a couple minutes. Actually not nervous because of the sharks. It was very calming actually to be down there, and I could tell from listening to my breathing on the descent and then when I was down there that there was a difference. Now you don't hear it because I mercifully took out that video audio. It sounded like a sick Darth Vader down there and you probably don't want to hear that. You just want to enjoy the sharks. Did feel a little overwhelmed trying to use two cameras at the same time, and with the GoPro, which had the red filter on it, which added some color back in, and then some with the new camera that I just bought, which did not have a filter on it, and it took out most but not all of the color. Sometimes one camera would get in front of the other and that would show up in the footage. And then I just bought a new camera in Korea on my trip over there. It was supposed to be good till 30 meters, which is the depth we were diving that day. I looked over at my screen and went, it exploded. And it's like, you're at 30 meters, 100 feet down under, you cannot cry, no one's here, you just go, well, I guess my new camera is gone. When I got up to the top, very, very nervous, rinsed off the camera, and then when I finally got ready, I opened up, and it was like opening up a can of soda or something. It goes, psst. Oh no! But fortunately, the SD card still worked. Some of the few videos and stills that I did take, you got to see today. So definitely go with guides, people who have been around these sharks. I asked one of the master divers who said, "Hey, how many dives have you been on?" And he said 5,000 something. So these guys have a lot of experience. I'll be sharing other videos with you soon, so enjoy.